Next, we'll be talking about dividing fractions. When we divide fractions, you can remember it by thinking keep, change, flip. You're going to keep the first fraction the same. Then you're going to change the operation from division to multiplication. Last, you'll flip your second fraction so that we get the reciprocal of whatever we started with. So keep, change, flip. Let's go ahead and do that with, and after that, I'm sorry it's not listed, you'll follow the steps for multiplying fractions because then you'll have a multiplication problem. So let's go ahead and convert this. I've got 6/7 divided by 3/4. Step 1 says keep the first fraction. So 6/7 stays the same. Sorry, my 7 is not really showing up. Then, instead of dividing, I'll multiply. So 6/7 times, and I'll flip that next fraction. Instead of 3/4, 4/3. At this point, you've got a multiplication problem, which you already know how to solve. You can either multiply first and then cancel out, or simplify first and then multiply. I always choose to simplify first and then multiply. So I see that I've got a 6 in my numerator and a 3 in my denominator. I'll divide them both by 3. 6 divided by 3 gives me 2, and 3 divided by 3 gives me 1. Those are all of my common factors, so now I can multiply straight across. 2 times 4 gives me 8 in the numerator. 7 times 1 gives me 7 in the denominator. Therefore, my product is 8/7. If you really want to write this as an improper fraction, you could write 1 and 1/7. But 8/7 is much easier to continue to work with, which is why I always prefer improper fractions. At this point, you should have your fractions foldable completed. If you missed any of the videos, you can go back and watch them now. Feel free to decorate it. During the rest of class, you need to first glue this into your spiral notebook, and then go on to Khan Academy and work on the fractions problems available to you. Please do not use a calculator to work on these fraction problems. If you're not sure where to find them, look at the top of today's Google Classroom. It should be pretty obvious to you there. Good luck.